So this has been kind of a lifesaver. You can use them for like 300 to 700 uses or something. So it comes with 2. So that's like, basically these can last you like 5 years. I have very long, thick hair. My hip is here, so my hair is basically down to my hip. And this is my natural texture, so it's essentially just pin straight. I have to tie my hair up a lot at work because I work with dogs, so I have no volume in my hair usually when I tie it up. Typically go to one of these guys. I'm just gonna tie it up with this to kind of compare the difference between this and the ponytail. I wear my ponytails very high, so I typically just flip my head and then wrap it once, twice, sometimes I'll do it 3 times, but because my hair is thick and heavy, it gives me a headache if I do it more than twice typically. So I'll pull some hair out because like I said, I like volume in my hair. It's okay when I first tie it up, but as you can see, it's already starting to sag. And this happens even when I tie it 3 times, like towards the day it sags. So I have to constantly zhuzh it, pull it up, which is essentially just ripping my hair out. And then when I take it out, typically, yeah, even just now, it rips a lot of hairs out, especially if it's been an 8-hour day. My next idea in my ponytail journey was scrunchies. So these are good because they don't rip your hair out as much and you don't get as big of a headache when you wear them. But my issue is most scrunchies only wrap around twice around my hair. So once again, just to compare, flip my head, look like a crazy person, twice, up, yeah. Scrunchies are okay, but like I said, like even just, it does this. Obviously I'm not whipping my hair around at work, but after a few hours it goes from there to there, so I'm constantly, same thing, tightening it, throwing it up, whatever. The cool thing with the Ponyo is it has these like grippies on the inside, so your hair doesn't slip. So you're supposed to take your pointer finger and your thumb, kind of thread your hair through, smush it flat, so your hair would be in here, and then you take your thumb on the, like behind your hair, and you bend the edges in. So it kind of looks like that once it's in your hair. So, 3rd time, flip our head. So 2 fingers, thread it through, if you can see this. You would have a lot easier time doing this if you have thinner hair. I have a lot of hair, so it's a little bit more difficult. So if you see me struggling, that's the only reason. And then you just kind of smush it flat, and then you bend the edges in. So it kind of looks something like that. It looks a little weird from underneath, but that's what it looks like when it's in. Like I said, I wear my ponytails kind of obnoxiously high. When I wore this to work yesterday, people said I looked like a genie, which I think is a compliment. But the cool thing is it's not like stuck to your head. Like you can still pull hair out if you want to like pull some hairs down, like to frame your face. For me, I pull for volume. And it's not going anywhere. So as you can see, when I like shook my head like slightly with the scrunchies, it just fell. This hasn't even budged. So I'll kind of show you from the side. I also think this is a really good idea if you have thinner hair, because like I said, it makes your hair look a lot thicker. I don't really have a problem with my hair looking thick, but I mean, who doesn't want thicker hair? And like I said, it like keeps the volume in, so I'm not constantly pulling my hair up all day and like ripping it out essentially. Very genie-esque, but let me see if I can show a low one real quick too. I don't ever wear my hair like in a low ponytail, but if you want to see kind of what it looks like. So same idea, I'm gonna try to show you from the side. Pull it through, smush it flat. Yeah. And then to take it out, you just unfold it, kind of open the circle up, and then just pull it through. And it doesn't rip your hair out. So this has been kind of a lifesaver. You can use them for like 300 to 700 uses or something, so it comes with 2. So that's like, basically these can last you like 5 years if you take care of them and stuff. Sorry, I'm a little bit low now. I would highly recommend this to anyone who wants thicker hair, hair that doesn't budge, and just more volume and everything you want with a hair tie that won't rip your hair out, basically. So thank you so much for watching, and definitely get a ponyo.